Hey guys, I'm back. Today we are in Minecraft and we are going to make me a city. I have been gone for a very long time because I've had stuff going on with school, but now I'm back. So I'm hoping to do more videos in the next couple of weeks. But I hope y'all enjoy this video. I'm going to be making my fountain for a town that I want to start in my Minecraft server. So I'm gonna do a short quick build and here we go. So this is the finished product. It took me a while because it was a lot of detail, which it may not look like that, but it was. So here's what it looks like. I'm hoping to upload more in the next couple of weeks since I don't have anything going on with school. And yeah. Make sure to subscribe, like, hit that notification button so you are when I post. And bye! See you later!